औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। प्यारे बच्चों अस्सलाम वालेकुम। बच्चों आज पढ़ना क्लास 8th सब्जेक्ट सोशल साइंस तो टॉपिक आज असाइनमेंट आज चैप्टर पारान व्यूअर्स आयरन सिमल्टर्स एंड फैक्ट्री ओनर्स अमिक सवाल आज लेखन तो करू पेज नंबर अमिक यह चैप्टर पेज नंबर 65 पे तुम गो सवालन पे डायरेक्ट पेज नंबर 79 पे गो तुम डायरेक्ट 79 पे सवाल वो लेट्स रिकॉल what kind of cloth had a large market in Europe युस यह कम किस्मिक क्लोथ यह मार्केट यूरोपस मज यह तेज पे इंडिच cotton and silk textile had a huge market in Europe. Indian textile were by far the most popular, both for their fine quality and excused different variety of Indian textiles were sold in the western market. तो कॉटन तो टेक्सटाइल इंडिया यह बड़ मार्केट यूरोपस मज तिक टेक्सटाइल यह मोस्ट मशहूर बे फाइन क्वालिटी हसा वैरायटी इंडियन टेक्सटाइल तवे डिमांड यह यूरोप वेस्टर्न मार्केट्स मज कन्न यह पॉपुलर यह मशहूर तत व्हाट इज जमादानी इज ए फाइन muslin on which decorated motifs were woven on the loom typically is the gray and white. Question number 3, what is bandana is any brightly colored and printed scarf for the neck or head. Originally the term bandana referred to the variety of the brightly colored cloth produced through a method of typing and dyeing. Question number page. What are the Argelia were Indian community of iron smelters iron smelters shastar ustar pe fill in the blanks tu wuchan books pe page number gesiu tu page number sheets pe gesiu tu tachu tre khali jay the word gents compass from the word gents from chant doimi shu Tipu Sultan's mean made of the wood steel sim sin talwar mas wood ak steel akasan to Indian textile export declined in the 19th centuries go tren khali jay jawab. Question number 3, how do the names of different textiles tell us about their histories? Muslim European traders first saw fine cotton cloth from Indian carried by Arabs merchants in Mosul in present day Iraq. Hence they named all finally woven textile as Muslim. Bandana, the important bandana. This name is diverted from the Hindi word bandana that is referred to a variety of the bright colored and printed scaries from the neck. Chants. This name is derived from Hindi word chant, a cloth with small and colorful floral designs. Question number 7. Why did the wool and silk producers in England protest against the import of Indian textiles? in the early 18th century. Answer है the wool and silk producers in England protested against the import of Indian textiles in the early 18th century because they found themselves unable to compete with the Indian textile. The English wool and silk producers wanted a ban of the Indian textiles to scare their business in England. Question number 8, page number page. How did the development of cotton industries in Britain affect textiles producers India? Answer है the development of cotton industries in Britain affected textile producers in India in several ways. Some of them are and mentioned below. Indian textile had a compete with the English cotton industries both in England and in India. Expansions of the British cotton industries led to the shrinkage of Indian textile producers. High duties were imposed of the Indian textile in Britain, due to which it became difficult to export textiles to England. By the 1830s, British cotton cloth flooded Indian markets that severely affected not only the specialist weavers but also the spinners. Question number 9. Why did the Indian iron smelter industry decline in the 19th century? Answer है the Indian iron smelters industries declined in the 19th century due to the following reason. Imposition of new forest laws prevented people from entering the reserved forest. Due to this, Indian smelters were unable to get wood for charcoal and iron ore, hence work and booked for some other job. By the early 20th century, smelters faced competition from the iron and steel industries that began to be set up in the country. तो यम सवाल क्वेश्चन नंबर 9 दहिम सवाल what problem did the Indian textile industries faced in the early years of its development? Answer is several problems faced by the Indian textile industry in the early years of its development are mentioned below. Indian textile industries found it difficult to compete with the cheap textile imported from Britain. Huge export price made it difficult for them to export their textiles to England. The government wanted to increase the import of English textiles in India, which was facilitated by zero import duties on the the English cloth. Question number cash. What helped Tisco expand steel production during the First World War? The following reasons helped Tisco expand. Tata Iron Steel Company expanded steel produced production during the First World War. During the First World War, the British steel industries were producing steel from the fulfilling the war needs of the Europe. Due to this, the import of British steel declined in India. By 1990, the colonial government was purchasing about 90% of the steel manufactured by Tisco. ये ओस आज फोर सारी सवाल लेके कि वेवर्स आयरन सिमल्टर्स एंड फैक्ट्री ओनर सवाल मे उम्मीद कि तुम करो सवाल याद बे बनो तुम नोट बुक तो अठ दिन बह गुजारिश कर कि तमन एग्जाम ये तुम आउट गोइंग क्लास तुम कर लेखन सवाल सारी बह त्रा व्हाट्सएपस तम सवाल तुम वहीं तो तुम बनो कापी नोट बुक थो तुम बन बे करो याद सवाल तो आज गो बाकी वसलाम।